Jai Hind friends, in this video today we are going to interact with Urvashi Tomar, one of EMA's online students who has cracked her SSB from AFSB Gandhinagar on 16 October 2020. So let's go over to her and listen to her about her experience and how did she prepare being part of an online batch. Over to Urvashi.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for calling me. And it feels so good to be online here. And I feel so nostalgic also because I have spent a lot of time here in online classes. So, yeah. Coming to the preparation part, see, whatever sir told you, please stick to those points, write them in your notebook, and revise them. Because sometimes what happens is we tend to forget the things. So, whatever every mentor, whatever the tips they have given, like sir was telling you in GP also, that you have to capture that moment. So, all these tips, keep it a short diary with you. I have like this diary with me, and I used to write all the darts, all the tips here, and I used to revise weekly. क्योंकि ये दिमाग में एकदम सेट हो जाना चाहिए जब तक आप जाओ वहां पे. And first thing is that, and whatever your mentors tell you, please stick to those things. And coming to the preparation part again, for journal knowledge, when I came here, my journal knowledge was average, and sir told me to work hard on my GK and my current affairs. And Afsana ma'am used to take our lectures in the morning. So I used to come prepare, and before night, like before the class starts, I used to practice, and I used to update myself with the knowledge. And not on only on the knowledge, but you have to be aware about what is going on related with that knowledge. For example, if I talk about Bihar elections, so how many seats were there, states connected to Bihar, what are the major bodies in Bihar. So these are the questions that they will ask you. Second point is I worked on my physical strength as well, because it gives you a lot of confidence. When you go there, you will feel like, okay, I am perfect and fit for courses, and you will feel that I have conquered this part and I will conquer the other part also. Second, coming for the psych, please stick to the tips that teachers give you. And also, you have to do a daily practice for that. So, for that, you have to change your psychology a little bit. And this is a gradual process, and with time, you can actually change your mentality. First thing is to smile every time. Like whenever you smile, आधी problem solve हो जाती है वहीं पे. So start practicing on that. Like I was very underconfident for VAT. So what I used to do, I used to do more practice for VAT. We had a lot of practices for VAT, and sir ne like personally he has corrected us every time. So you have an idea कि VAT में कैसे sentences लिखने हैं. So what you have to do is, you have that ideas, whatever things you have like VAT के examples हैं, keep that in mind and start preparing according to that. For GTU also, sir has given us a very nice model description. So I have made images also in my notebook, and I have recorded some of the parts, took a little bit of screenshot so that that thing remained fixed in my mind, and I used to revise them continuously. So that's how I prepared for interview. Interview is the most important part, as everyone say, and here we got a lot of attention for the interview. And whatever questions your teachers are giving you, just prepare them. Like, take your time, think about your questions. If you write 2 3 times, you will improvise your answers, and it will get better time to time. So you will add, whenever you write another time, you will add another good point. So that's how I improvise. Like, whatever a question is, like, why do you want to join defense forces, I used to write every day. Like, I have write this question every single day, and over the time I got so confident with my answer that, okay, I will speak only this part in my interview. And that had happened there also. So you have to do a lot of written practice as well. And for the communication, you have to practice it. use mirror, use your friends to help with to who can help you. And yes, sir has told us the buddy system. So I had also a friend in the same batch, so we used to practice after our classes also. So that's how I prepared.
Very nice, Urvashi. I think you're giving them a lot of good tips of your individual preparation. That is exactly what I wanted, right? Not that, that just blindly follow what we have told, but after you finish the training here, the way you handle your practices after that, I'm so happy to see the world map behind you.
Thank you, sir.
Right, which I've been telling all of them, please buy the world map, but I have not yet seen most of them buy it. But yes, that means you have been working on no, your geography also. Right, so let's go over to now Gandhinagar. Let's go to Gandhinagar to your stage one and how you tackle stage one. Because today only they had the stage one practice. And first, let's discuss the stage one, then we'll discuss the other tests.
Okay. So when I reported at Gandhinagar, so there were 262 candidates, and all were in personality. Like all came prepared. So have this thing in your mind that you are coming prepared. Everyone else is also coming prepared. But have a faith in yourself that you will do good in your first stage one screening. So first stage is OIR, and in our OIR was pretty easy, I say, but you have to do practice because nothing comes in hand without practice. So you have to do a lot of practice for OIR as well. And there were two sets given to us. And before that, even the teacher there, she also like taught us how to handle the OIR. So she gave a little practice for OIR. And for OIR, do not leave any question unattempted. Like even if you don't know the answer, just mark any answer because it creates a good impact that you have completed all the questions. And they have a time limit, so you have to do that all things in a set of time limit. So OIR went really well, and I like after OIR, I was pretty confident that I will do good in narration because I had like many practices with sir, and I had individual practices as well on the group also. So after OIR, we have our narration PPDT. So they had shown us a picture in which there is a lady and a farm along with two, three other people. So we were given 4 minutes. So I was able to complete my story in 3.5 minutes. And after that, I was just uh, revising what I have written because I know that after that I won't get time. So when write neatly, and sir has told you that please fold the margins on the side. So that is a very nice thing, and it will keep your paragraph in alignment. Also use a gel pen for that, blue gel pen, because ball pen sometimes get messy. So after writing part, we have our narration, and I didn't get much time for my practicing for my revision. So we were taken into a room, and we were 14 people, like 14 candidates were there, and I was the last candidate sitting. My narration was the last narration, but whenever everyone was saying, they were interacting with me. The reason is because I have interacted earlier with them. Like we were given time on the breakfast, so I know that okay, these are my chess number. I have to interact with them. So on the when everyone was narrating, I was listening to their story, and I was like giving a response that yes, I am listening to you. So they have kind of made a faith in me that okay, she is listening to us. We'll speak by looking her. So after my narration, like I was the last person, the moment I stopped, GD has started. And initially it was a fish market. But whenever I used to speak, they all used to listen because I have maintained a little connection with them. So whenever I spoke, they used to listen and they used to agree with me. But but I also made some points so that I can support my other friends also, like other candidates. So in our discussion, I made a story on playground, like, and the majority of the people made story on agriculture, modern uses. So one candidate nominated me, but I said that let's go with the majority, and we can club different ideas. we stuck to theme, like theme and the other procedure, not to the characters or she's female or male. We stuck to the main point because that is very important. So do not stick to the people who are there. And yes, that's how the narration went. And then after we majority nominated a single person, and she narrated the story.
So that was the BPDT. And how many got screened in from your total 262?
Sir, 62 got screened in.
62. That means 200 got screened out. This is quite a
Yes,
good
sir.
number. So after that, did you have your psych in the evening or the next day they had morning psych test?
Sir,
Only
in the morning. In
morning.
the morning.
So how was
Yes.
your psych experience? Could you are able to handle all the pictures? Could you finish the VAT since you said VAT you were little this thing, and how many SRTs you did? Yeah.
Okay, sir. So my psych test was next day, and it was scheduled for next day at 7 o'clock. So before psych, I was little nervous, but what I did, like this is my personal trick. So what I did is I memorized or I recollected all the good memories that I had with my parents, with my friends, or whatever achievements I have, just to have a good set of mind before going out in for psych. So in psych, I'm telling you, practice is a key. Like if you have done a lot of practice, you will not feel nervous. And I was feeling a little nervous whether I will get ideas there or not. But whenever I saw a picture, I was getting ideas within seconds. And because I had a lot of practice, written practice, so the flow of writing was very easy, and I had no cutting in between. And I have used that margin system and the gel pen also, so that my writings remain neat and tidy. And that went well. And some of my friends was not able to complete those stories. Please do not commit that mistake. And like in my batch, we have a lot of female oriented stories, but some of them were male oriented as well. So what others did was they have transformed that male into female. He was like looking like a male person, male, he was a male, but they have converted into female. So do not do that mistake as well. Look at the background first and see that what kind of ideas or what kind of stories you get from that background. So that's how I tackled my tat, and tat went well. For story number 12, I was prepared, like I have prepared two stories, and I have practiced them so many times that it was fixed in my mind that I have to write this story, and it finished in 2 minutes. So I was happy, and I have like for that I have 1 minute to think and to recollect whatever I had practiced, and I took few deep breaths and started for the VAT. There 15 seconds get so much less. Like if you practice on with your like if you practice here and on your with yourself, but there 15 seconds looks like you have 10 seconds. Okay, so try to make small sentences and do a lot of practice, because words are almost similar. You will get like here you also practice, the words are almost similar. So I have practiced a lot of words there. So I had made a sentence in my mind. I had like six sentences. Okay, I have practiced this sentence and I know the answer for this sentence. So that's how I completed my VAT, and I have completed 59 VAT out of 60. And yes, for SRTs also, I did a little mistake. Like I have completed 32 out of 60 because I was not able to calculate the whole 30 minutes time. So that's why. But do not do that mistake and try to do maximum SRTs as possible. But what I did is, for one solution, I have given like ample solutions, 6 to 7 solutions or steps for every SRT I have given. So that's why I was not able to complete 45, 50 SRTs. But don't do that mistake. So, and for self description, I have written it many times. Like I have practiced my self description also. And there also, sir has told you that do not use those words like I am responsible, I am caring. Don't use that. Use examples from your life. And if you don't have examples, create examples or practice those at your home, they will automatically come to you. So I have written all, and even in self description also, some of my friends was not able to complete like whole 5 descriptions. So what I did is I have divided the page into 5 parts, and first I wrote 5 lines for every paragraph. So then I know that I have time left. Then I have completed all of them. Like after writing 5 lines of every uh, paragraph. After that, I had time, so I had written more about myself and more about what are the weaknesses, strength, everything. And yes, that's how I did my psych, and I was pretty happy about with my psych that the way I prepared, I was able to deliver that.
Very nice. Let's go over to your interview. It was Air Force interview. I mean, we had guided you how to, it's
Yes,
slightly
sir.
different from normal interviews,
Yes,
right?
sir.
The more sprinkling of Air Force knowledge. What was
Mhm.
how did it go about? How did you handle those questions?
Okay, sir. So my interview went really well, and I'm still smiling because it went really well, and I was so happy after my interview. Like my interviewing officer was very nice, and I had a really great time there. And most of the questions you practice here, you will get the same questions in same sequence. I will say I got same questions and same sequence. So I had like practiced. I don't know 100 times of. I don't know how many times I have practiced. I have literally crammed it. It goes. It has been in my muscle memory. So I have practiced all those questions, and I was confident because I have. If you do a lot of practice, then you feel that you are confident enough. So at many times, like interviewing officer was asking like cross questioning me, but I was calm and I had a smile on my face, and I calmly answers those questions. And for current affairs, I was prepared with current affairs, and it gave me a lot of confidence. Even in our room also, like when we were interacting, that gave me a lot of confidence. So people were like, she knows a lot of things. So they always used to hear me in everywhere. So I had an upper hand in there. So he didn't ask me any current affairs, like 2 3 current affairs only, but he asked me a lot of geography questions. So that world map helped actually.
Great, great. Right.
So he asked me.
How much
Yes, sir.
time did it last your interview? 1 hour, 40 minutes?
Yes, sir. 1 hour, more than 1 hour, 1 hour. Yes, yes, sir.
And how did, yeah, anything specific to Air Force they were asking or
Yes,
just
sir. Yes, sir. He asked me about the what are the preferences. Like I'm for flying, so what are the trainings and in which aircrafts are you going to fly? What is the principle behind flying? And what are the commands? What is the structure of Air Force? So they have asked a lot of questions related to Air Force.
So let's go over to the GTO ground. I'm very anxious to know how was your GTO ground experience because that is the question which it goes in everybody's mind. How
Yes,
can
sir.
AMRs teach the GTO aspects? Because online, I mean, so a lot of students feel. So how did you learn the GTO aspect? How did you put into practice that?
So I was also like you guys, I was also a little nervous that GTO, what will happen in the ground and everything, but it went pretty well. So the first exercise that we had was GPE, and it went well. I was able to write within time, and the way sir told us that how we have to write first a paragraph, then priorities, solutions, everything I wrote according to that, and I was able to finish in 7 to 8 minutes. After that, I added some more points because I had time. And for the GPE, as I told you, like you have to make strategies before going to GTO. Like I have made strategies with my friends that we will support each other and everything. But there in GP, we supported each other. I gave some major points that we should go like this, and used terms like I used timings and made distance, that it is 5 kilometers, so it will be easier to cover this distance from this side. So you can use these terms, technical terms, and that's how GPE went, discussion for the GPE. And I supported a friend, and others also supported me that we should support this friend. So we collectively give the answer and we were able to come to the conclusion as well. And after that, we have our group discussions. And in group discussion, you'll actually get to know that how people are there actually. So our first GD was related to some women empowerment, and GTO asked us about the reasons. So please stick to the reasons. Do not give solutions. In my whole group, apart from me, everyone was stuck to solutions only. They were discussing lot of
The
solutions,
question
but
was reasons, but they were giving solutions.
yes, sir.
That is
So
where
you have
pick up the question what the GTO is asking. That's very important to listen.
yes, sir. So GTO asked this reason. So I actually told them in between that he's like we have to stick to reasons. So let's stick to reasons. And I was whole time I was stuck with stick with the reasons. And there you can use your data diary. Sir has told you. I have used data diary. I have used examples of other countries because this helps you. Like if you are preparing for current affairs and your knowledge current affairs, so you will get to know a lot of about countries, their culture also. So I have placed so many points of other countries, what policies we are doing and everything. So that's how GD went. And I have participated fairly enough in GD as well, and I was giving others also a chance that, oh, okay, she has not spoke well right now, so let's give her a chance. So do support your friends also.
Very good.
Then yes, sir. Then we have PGT. So PGT, I was a little scared because after seeing planks, bully, and rope, I didn't get ideas at first. So, but it went well. We were able to do three obstacles in 45 minutes. So initially, I was not getting ideas. Like I was not in the main group. Like sir has told you that be in the main group. So I was not in the group, but I was listening to everyone. If I'm not getting the idea, what I did is I have picked her idea and hers idea and combined it. Okay, we can do this. So I was continuously participating, though my they were not taking my idea, but I was continuously participating. I was motivating them. If someone is on Bali, yes, you can do this. Yes, yeah, this will work, this will work. And I was participating. Then in the second obstacle, I like my brain has started running then. So I gave ideas, one, two ideas I gave, and they have implemented also. And I actually practically shown them how to do this and everything. So that's how PGT went. And please in PGT be calm, because a lot of people will be speaking at one time. So in my group, two, three people got really angry, so it reflected on their performance. One of the girls actually said that "mujhe nahi karna," and she started and she stopped that task, and she stood out of the ground.
Oh my God.
This happened, yes, sir.
Hmm. Acha.
So, so please be calm there and keep a smile on your face as well. And support others also. Let give her chance. She has not spoken well. Support others also, but also also see that GTO is looking at you also. So please uh, try to give more and more ideas. Even if you are not getting ideas, listen to everyone and एक दो ideas को paste कर दो दोबारा से.
Well,
Yes,
how
yes,
about
sir.
the half group task? By that time, you had picked up and the
Yes,
command
sir.
task. How was that?
Yes. Sir, half group task went well. So GTO sir has divided us on the basis of odd and even. So we were four girls and we all gave ideas and we motivated each other. Like there was a time that we have to cross Bali and it was at very height. So we motivated each other and we helped each other. So it went well. And in 5 to 6 minutes, we were able to do the task. So that's how HGT went well.
Those command tasks? What kind of command tasks you got? How did you
Yes,
handle?
sir. Sir, GTO called me in the last, and I got, I think, medium level task. So my starting and finish line was same, and I have to. My task was to bring out the material, like the load.
The bar or something. Yeah.
Yes, sir, the box. So initially, I was not getting ideas. Like for 1 minute, I was actually blank. Like, what should I do? But I was keep on trying. Like I was commanding my subordinates that please try the rope this side and that side. So I gave one idea after 2-3 minutes, and it was a practical idea. But sir told us that sir asked me to give another idea. So again, I was a little blank, but I was keep on trying, and I have never showed that I'm quitting. No, मतलब I will try जब तक हो रहा है. And after that, after 2-3 minutes, another idea got striked, and that idea was so practical, and literally sir complimented me that this is the best idea. So I was happy that okay, after a little struggle, I was able to get two ideas, and command task went well. Yes, sir.
So I think you have covered all aspects, and today we have in the class 4 girl candidates, and my reason of inviting you was that they demanded, sir, can you get a successful girl candidate? We want to clarify issues. So I invited all 4,
Okay.
and of course it is open to the boys also, because the SSB is same whether it's for girl or boy.
Yes, sir.
So before I conclude my interaction with Urvashi, so any one of you has got any questions, you can ask.
Yes, sir. So can I ask a question, please?
Yeah, okay, please go ahead.
Urvashi, could you please tell us what were the questions in geography that you asked?
Yeah. Just a minute. वहाँ पे रखिए. हाँ. Sorry. So he asked me that, like, you are traveling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So what are the states will come in between, and what are the capitals? And the second question he asked that you are in the southwestern command of Air Force, and you have to go to the eastern command. So what are the states will be there, and what are the capitals? Then he asked me where is North Korea located. So, like, what are the neighboring countries of North Korea? And he asked me about the southernmost point of India. That's it. 4 questions were asked.
So that means that you see, now let's understand. He practically asked her all the states of India with their capitals. Right? It's not that just because this question was asked, you should only study from north and then to east to west. Practically all. So, right? Then asking about the southernmost point or things like that. So basically, India geography, world geography, it's very important. Yeah. Any more questions, anyone? Or
27.
yeah, 27. One more question. Then we'll ask others also.
Sir, I have 2 questions actually.
Two more. Two more.
So one would be that Urushi, you said that during your self-description, you gave examples, your life examples. Now, how did
Yes.
you manage to write your life examples with
Yeah,
the
that
limited?
I will cover that. Don't worry. We are going to cover that. Okay. Yeah. What's the next question?
It's about the physical task preparation that
Yeah,
she
वो
did.
वो पूछ लो. मैं इसको मैंने थोड़ी सी ऋषि को मेरे से थोड़ा ज्ञान भी मिला था एक बार 45 मिनट्स का पर्सनल डांट भी पड़ी थी इसको याद है उर्वशी?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, ask your question, Vedatri. What you want to do?
I wanted to ask that how did you prepare for the individual obstacles and the other outdoor tasks beforehand, and how much time did you give to your physical fitness?
I was a very overweight kid. So before joining there, I was like a bit overweight, and I actually used to feel very underconfident that if I'm going for defense forces and I'm not able to keep myself physically fit, then how will I manage those things? Then I started doing running. Like I used to work out like 2-3 hours a day, and it was like a part of my SSB preparation. I have this thing in my mind that this will lead to something. Like this is a part of my SSB preparation. So I used to do running. I build up on my stamina. I used to do push-ups, crunches, whatever it takes to build a core strength on running for the stamina. So I was able to do individual obstacles pretty well, and I did 7 out of 10, and it was the maximum in the whole group. Like no one did this much of obstacles. So I was happy that okay, like all my preparation for 1.5 months, whatever I practiced, that went well, and that's how I prepared for physical tasks.
Good. That means all these obstacles are tackleable. You don't really need to do it beforehand, but if you're physically fit and confident, you can do it. That's right. Okay, anybody?
Also, Urvashi, did they go into details of these planes and everything, or was it just very general when you told us that they asked about Air Force? Was it in general?
Whoever speaks, please give your name, so at least she will know who's asking them.
Tanvi here.
For me, they asked only the planes, like what are the aircraft that you are be training in, like what are the aircraft you are flying in, and he also asked me about that if you get a chance, that what plane, fighter plane you would like to fly. So then I gave details for that, like what are the speed, what are the engines used. He didn't ask me, but I gave him a little detail about that. From my other friends, he also like he didn't go into detail, but he asked like basic information, and you should know the principle of flying. Like we know that principle of flying is based on Bernoulli's principle. But he'll ask you that I am from non-science background. How will you explain me? So you should know the basic, like how will you explain the IO if he's not from the non-science background. So like this.
Thank
Any more
you.
questions? Anybody else?
Ma'am, what about your conference, ma'am?
Okay, how was the
Conference.
conference? Was it short or long, or any special questions you asked?
Sir, my conference lasted for 20 to 30 seconds. He asked me about my sports achievement and how was your stay and any suggestions that you would like to give. And before conference, he- I think 5 minutes I waited outside. So that's
So that must have been a normal case where you would have already been passed with assessors, and then they
okay.
just asked you normal questions. Okay.
Question.
Anybody else any questions?
How many girls got selected from your batch, Uruchi?
11 got screened in. Oh, recommended. 11 got recommended.
Out of 62.
Yes, sir.
So actually, if you see, it is 11 out of 262.
Yes, sir.
That makes it how much percent? About 3 to 4%, which is a normal average of SSB. Right. Any more questions? Right. So I think we'll end the session here by me putting on record that I'm really proud of Urvashi. She attended the sessions of online very diligently, seriously, and today I've come to know how much hard work she was doing at the back end. I only saw her performance in the class, which made us happy. But that good performance in the class always comes with work at the back end, right? So including the data diary and the map which is there behind it, so she could tackle any of these questions related to GK, current affairs, as well as Air Force knowledge, right? So I thank you for coming and sharing your
Thank you, sir.
tips and details of your SSB as well as your preparation. And from the class side and from my personal side, wish you all the best and wish to see you flying some fighter plane
Yes,
shortly.
sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. All the best and do work hard and keep smiling.
Yeah,
Bye.
that was one of the best tips which you gave. Is whatever, keep smiling. Okay, great. Yeah, all the best. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.